Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. After a long time, I didn't post previous Friday because I'm having a busy schedule. I just lost something which I didn't want to, but it's okay, it's life. So you lose, you gain, just move forward. That's all I want to say. And today video is all about reset up my life. I put my earrings, I put my dress on, I put my rings, I tie my hair because my hair is not hearing right now, so that's why. Another thing is I clean my room, I wash my clothes. Now I will write my diary because I'm going through something that I didn't want to go, which can makes me feel a little bit good. I hope so. When I was busy with things, I don't get any time for myself. Now I'm free and I have lots of time wanted to do. I have lots of books here in front of me. This is my collection. Not that much. If you want to cry, then you need to relate it with this book. The whole point about reading a book is just creating fake scenery and being happy and being sad, and it's like life. Yeah, you can relate it with books. Like these things, I'm too dramatic, so yeah. Something that I did, it's hitting me so badly, but I already did what I did. So let's stop these things. Let me reset my life. I already cry a lot for setting up my life. I start with my bag. So guys, I'm so tired staying at home. It feels so depressing. So I'm just leaving home and going for a lunch date with my cousins. I wear a navy with a black and a white bag. What I did.
What the dog doing?
Maybe guys can be weird for so many people, but I'm happy I got a notification that is storage full or notification. I was so happy.